Hello guys, isang mabilisang pag-aaral lang about chapter 2 ng quantitative research kasi na-discuss ko na ito last time. So ano nga ba ang chapter 2 at nilalaman ito? Related literature or review of related literature. So let's start. Ang title natin is Corporate Brand Image, Customer Satisfaction, and Loyalty to Selected Coffee Shops in Makati City by Forbes 2018. So let's start. Analysis of reviewed literature. Sa madaling salita, ito yung summary ng RRL natin. Pwedeng ito is parang narrative style, pero ito, ang ginamit dito is pinagsama-sama niya yung mga proponents o yung mga tao at year ng pinagkuhanan niya ng mga RRL, kaya ganito yung mapapansin nyo. Okay? The review of related literature and studies has an implication on the present study. All reviews were focused on the corporate brand image, customer satisfaction, and loyalty. The researchers and works of different writers and authors like Nazir, Ali, and Jamil. So, ayan yung mga kasama nila about dun sa topic na yun. Okay, various findings prove that brand image has either direct or indirect impact to customer satisfaction. Nandiyan naman yung mga proponents. Diba? So, hindi ko nababasahin lahat, pero mayroong isang bagay na pinagkakaisahan itong lahat ng mga tao na ito. Okay po? Sa gap bridge natin, sa madaling salita, from gaps bridge, ibig sabihin, ano yung pupunuan? Okay? Ano yung idaragdag ng ating pag-aaral? So, tingnan natin mabuti. From the above review of related literature and studies, the following gaps were determined. There were no studies yet conducted on corporate brand image and customer satisfaction, on loyalty considering selected coffee shops customers as the respondents of the study. Number 2, there were no studies yet conducted on corporate brand image and customer satisfaction, on loyalty in a selected coffee shops considering Makati City as a place of investigation. Ayan po yung parte ng ating chapter 2.